Jai Gurdev, I am Tikshita and she is Anushka. We did a working model of Pythagoras Theorem. In mathematics, Pythagoras Theorem is a relation between three sides of a right angle triangle. Here, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides of a triangle. The applications of Pythagoras Theorem in daily life are constructions in buildings, navigation to find the shortest distances, and to find and calculate the height and slope of a tall building or a mountain. Now Anushka will show you the working of the model.
This model was based on the principles of friction and tension in a pulley. And as you can see, these two scales are kept stationary while this scale is movable. This is done so by attaching a rubber band. To a piece called a bobbin, which has a string inserted to it. And this plastic disc is attached to this rubber band, and as you can already see, the scale is attached to this plastic disc. On rotating the string, the bobbin rotates, causing the rubber band to get pulled, as you can see, and both the disc and the scale move. The same principle is applied for the height of the triangle. And as the angle between these two stationary scales is 90 degrees, so even if the distance at the base or the height is not in a whole number, still a Pythagorean triplet will be found. This is the working of our model.
Thank you and Jai Gurdev.